Hello everyone, my name is dontavius, back again with a YouTube video. So today, we're playing Don't Press the Button. So what I'm gonna do, let's get into it. Around, what's that? Wait. Alright, come on. Man. Come on. Hey. Where we go to? Hey. No. Up off. Please. Oh, let's go. No. Wait. What is this? What I have to do? Alright, stop stealing my sticks. Okay. This is easy. Go fumble. I beat it. Yeah. I beat it. Come on. Oh, let's go. Nerd. Give that coin. Get me. Get. What is it? Alright, come on, give me. I love us.
It's the most beautiful thing I've seen in my life. It's a bottle in the night.
What the hell? Oh my god. Wait. No. What the hell is that? What is that? Get. What is it? Alright, come on, give me. I love us.
It's the most beautiful thing I've seen in my life. It's a bottle in the night.
What the hell? Oh my god. Wait. No. What the hell is that? What is that? What is it? Oh. Come on. Hey. Oh my god. I beat it. Let's go.
I like singing. I like dancing.
I like trains.
What the hell? Alright, give me. Hey. Yeah, buddies. But I clicked it. Alright, come on. Speed run. Hey. Come on, please don't lose. Oh. I am black. Oh, I am so black. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am so black. I am so black. Oh, I am black. I am black. I am black. I am black. Buddy boy. I am so black. Yes, sir. I am black. Ah. No. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. No, you ain't gonna. Yeah, buddy. You got. Blah, 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 blah. Hey, why this girl so hot though? Oh my god. Ew. Click it. Move. Give me those up. Oh yeah. Nerd. Give me. Yes. Nerd. I got you. Stop taking on my ducks. Oh my god. Oh, let's go. Let's go. But I got 4. They are so racist. What do I have to press? Gimme. What do I have to press? Low bubble. Alright, man. Bro, stop making me. Oh my god. You black dick. Person. Bro, stop. Bro, who is this dude? Who is this dude? For real? Who do you think you is staring into my soul like that? Oh my god. What is going on? What is going on? Bro, oh no, bro, we just fell on his ass. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh no. Bro. Eh.